Hello and welcome back to the TK Talk YouTube channel and our Python course for kids. This video is a continuity to last video, coding rock, paper, scissors with if statement. Before starting, I would like to remind that if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all our new video instantaneously. Okay, in the previous video we started with the game. We explained the concept of rock, paper, scissors, and we showed a demonstration of it. Then, we moved to the program. We explained briefly what the flowchart is, and we created our logic scenario chart. Afterwards, we jumped directly to coding, and we started with the first main branch in chart. Throughout our coding journey, we described many coding concepts like comments, nested if, indentation, and disclosure wait. And finally, we completed the program and the first main branch, but without testing. And this video we will test the first main branch code. Then we will complete the coding and testing with the other branches. And finally, we will see how to improve our code to have less code lines and of course, faster execution. Isn't that amazing? Last thing, in this video, we click on mouse left button. Whether it is a single or double clicks, you will see blue bubbles like shown here and green bubbles for right mouse click. And when we have important or hints, you will see pop-ups like this. Testing the first main branch. Now it is testing time. We will start with assigning human variable rock to similar to first branch in our flowchart, and computer variable will be assigned to rock as first subbranch here. Then test our code in the second code cell if it could pick the right answer. Tie is the right answer. Try this time with second subbranch when computer variables assigned to paper. And the answer came right as robot 1. Now, the last subbranch when the computer is scissor. As you see here, when we were going to use the last if statement, the computer variable would be compared with the condition here with wrong spelling scissor, and that condition testing would alert me that I have a problem in my code since the spelling chosen in the input code cell is right while the condition compares here with different word, and coincidentally our code result would be wrong. Okay, now let's assign computer to scissors and test the code with else. The answer is correct, human 1. Let's repeat the same with elf instead of else. We will delete the hash before elf statement to convert this line from comment to code, and add to else statement so Python will not execute it in the next time. To delete the output on code cell to see the different or new output, you shall click the empty space on the left hand beside the previous output to delete it. Now before proceeding with our testing, we will change the value of computer to match the wrong spelling, the else statement condition to ensure the right result. And finally, the answer came as expected. Human won, again. With that, first branch was done perfectly. Coding and testing rest of main branches. We will take the entire code for the first branch and repeat it for the other two. Select the code lines. Copy and paste them under the first branch. Edit the comment line to indicate the following code lines belong to the second branch when human variable equals paper. Change the condition to compare human with paper as start of the second branch, and change the condition for the first sub-branch where the answer shall be tie. Change the condition of the second sub-branch to scissors, which is the case that will make the result as robot 1. For the second sub-branch, we will use else statement instead of if to make it easier for us. And we will change the first branch as well for code consistency. Now, do the same steps to create the third branch when human chooses scissor. Now it's testing time. I have created a complete matrix that shows all possible conditions to be used as reference during testing. Let's try each condition one by one and check our program result against the expected result and hints where the problem is, and when we find discrepancies, this process in programming called testing and debugging. Improving our code. Now, let's go back to our flowchart. As you see, tie condition is repeated in all main branches where human choice matches computer choice. That is valid regardless of what the choice is. So if we consider human equals computer's choice as a new main branch, the total branches will be 4, but 3 sub-branches will be eliminated. And so each other main branches will have only 2 sub-branches instead of 3. Don't you think this is a big improvement in our code? Let's do it! We will create another header level 1 for this code and another header level 2 for inputs. Go up and copy the entire code cell by right-clicking the select copy cell and go down where you want to paste and press Ctrl V. Create another header level 2 for your improved winner selection code. See how using headers could organize your code and navigation in the table of contents section? Add a new code cell. Copy the first branches of the previous code and paste it in the new code cell below. Edit its comment as second main branch, whereas the first one will be the equal condition. Add the if statement for the new condition when human variable equal computer variable value. And finally add the action code line to print it's a tie. Modify the second condition branch by eliminating the equal condition. And change the else condition to if, as this is the first sub-branch. Otherwise, you will receive an error. This kind of error is called runtime error. Don't worry about it. We will talk about coding error types in our later videos. Before processing with the rest of the main branches, we test those two. Once again, I will open my testing matrix to compare with. When we test the first tie condition, we receive 2 answers, as tie and also human 1, which is wrong. And that is because choosing if statement in the second main branch, whereas Python will check whether the previous if condition was true or false. This kind of error in coding is called logical error, and it is the most difficult type of error to find because it will give you an unpredictable result and may crash your program. We will solve that by changing if to else statement. Python will escape the else statement when the first main branch condition answer came as true. Now, let's rerun the winner selection code again. And here we are. The answer is correct. Now, I will repeat the second main branch for the third one, where human choice is paper. And repeat it again for human choice is scissors. Now, let's test the entire testing matrix one by one. Finally, all the conditions were tested, and our code is perfect. With that, we conclude this video and if statement coding. In this video, we exercised heavily all the 4 if statement types: simple if else, if else, and if else else. We followed structured testing procedure and being exposed to different kind of coding errors. We even improved our code to have faster execution and better performance. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch it many times and do the code yourself. You will find the code Google Colab link in description below. Finally, let us know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch previous video. Thanks and see you in the next video.